What's up, guys? It's October 3rd, 2024. Had a pretty tough day in the market, if you ask me. Um, Here you are on the daily chart. This is us. Had a bear body with a tail, but bulls rallied EOD and we closed above the midpoint. So not the best close for the bears. Leg one, pull back, leg two, possibly. Oh, let me just do it like this. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back. Possibly in the form of a wedge bottom into the EMA. We will see what happens there. Yeah, really tough day if you ask me. It looks like it was a trend. It was a trading range day, and trading range days we need to scalp, and we're gonna have deeper pullbacks on trading range days, so it's better to scalp and not sit through those pullbacks in case it starts to reverse. Most breakouts fail on trading range days, so let's talk about the day real quick, and then what trades I took and how I ended up red. That's the format I'm gonna be taking. I'm gonna try and classify the day, talk about the trades, in trends we hold, in ranges we scalp. I'm really trying to gear these towards when I'm trading, so it's like very in line. So I know we're doing a little bit of shift. We should talk about breakouts, market cycles. I'm still gonna be talking. I talk about all that naturally. So yeah, let's just get into it. Gap down, bull bar for bar one, not good for the bears. Bar two is good for the bears, but the close is not closing below bar one, so we could be at the low of bar one's range. Bar three looks like it's a failed breakout versus it's a doji, but it gets painted a bear bar. Bar four is follow through, but it's not good follow through. It's a lot of tails. Bars 5, 6, 7, 8 becomes a rally. But what happens in range days? Rally breakouts or vacuum tests. The vacuum test to the higher time frame EMA and immediately sell off and test the breakout point bar 5 with the tail on 9. Limit order traders got their leg 1, leg 2. So leg 1, deep pullback, implied leg 2 for the bulls right there. And after that, bears get their leg 1, leg 2. Leg 1, deep pullback. Leg 2, deep pullback. Leg 3, leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, pullback. Leg 3. The market's range bound. In the morning, you can make money selling bull bars and make money buying bear bars. It's the opposite of trends, and we have to scalp. So we buy, scalp out, sell, scalp out. Or you can wait till it becomes a stop order market. This is a limit order market. I don't trade with limit orders, but I'm more inclined to like buy the close of 11. I actually did buy the close of 11, but I hit out on this tail and missed that trade. So it's a limit order market, range bound like 1, pullback like 2, pullback like 3, pullback like 4. And then bulls rally into the EMA trying to test a high. Bulls that bought here buy more lower, and they're able to make money on their second trade and get out with a profit. Excuse me. They get out with a profit on their second trade and get out a break even on their first trade. So the bulls that buy bar 7, say you buy the 21 high, you buy the 20 high, you get out on bar 27. You can buy the lows and you make money. A lot of traders are are trying to break even in range bound environments. So we have this rally, start with 21 after 3 pushes down. Bears really didn't get any new lows. Like that's not a lot of new low. See, so if this was the breakout, if this was the neckline, it kept reversing. So it wasn't a strong breakout. Bulls rally, a lot of pullbacks, like 1, pullback, like 2, pullback, like 3. And then we have an inside bar. So this could be like 1, pullback, like 2, like 1, pullback, like 2, pullback, like 3, pullback, breaks the trend line, like 4, wedge top, lower high, bar 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 becomes sell the close. You can sell any bar. I think it's hard to sell these bars after you can make money buying bars. So bulls get a vacuum test, bears get a vacuum test, bulls get a vacuum test, bears get a new vacuum test to a low of the day. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Starts to give him failed breakout vibes. We're at a new low of the day, and bears can't make a new low. Well, they make a new low and it reverses. They can't keep putting in bear bars. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, parabolic wedge into the EMA. Bears get a second leg here, leg 1, pullback leg 2. Implied, it's not an equal second leg, so that's range bound price action. Go into a tight trading range, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Bulls that buy this high, buy more or lower. So you can buy this high, you can buy more lower, and you get out at 49. If you miss that, you can also still hold. And you get out here and you make some money. Trades I took today. See what time it is real quick. Oh yeah, wow. We've only been going for 5 minutes. The trades I took today, I overtraded for sure. I got really sloppy in this TTR. I was in profits for a lot of my trades, and then I let them turn around on me looking for more. So I remember buying this, I got out. I remember selling this, I got out for a loss. I remember buying this low, and I got out here. I reversed real quick and scalped this bar. I want to say I sold here, got out very quickly, and then I bought the close of 44, holding for a rally. But then I got out on this tail for minus a point because I had a late entry. And then I got chopped right here trying to buy this high and went straight down. Yeah, the day got the best of me. It was a tough day. Hope you guys did better than I did. And yeah, you know, you live and you learn. I'm going to keep going. I'm not too pressed. I'm still trading sim for now. It's a quick one today. Tight trading range, a lot of overlap. The gaps are closing. Let's go over the gaps real quick, because the gaps did get closed today. So gap down, bull bar. It gets closed here. You get a gap here. Get a climactic gap here. It's a big gap late in a rally, and it reverses quickly. Bears actually don't get a gap though. They get a gap here. It's a weak gap, bull bar, bear bar, bear bar, and it closes with 13. No gaps. We get another gap here, 17, 18, 19, and that closes with this rally. This rally, we got gaps. I was looking at it today. Here's a gap, weak gap, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar. That's weak. We want 3 bull bars. Another weak gap, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar. So these rallies are really weak. Expansion, contraction, expansion, contraction, expansion, contraction. Again, the gaps got closed. Gap got closed here. Oh, gaps are getting open right now. And bears want to keep these gaps open for a sell-off, but they start to get tested. The low 39 starts acting as resistance for about 2 hours. And then bulls break out and they start to close gaps. Bears got the gap between 36, 37, 38 open still. It's like it just tested that and the EMA. So that's good for them. They got a gap open, but they didn't get to keep the price below the EMA. It was a rally. Big down, big up, big down, big up. Tough day. Hope you guys did better than I did. I will talk to you guys. I'm going to post tomorrow, review probably on Monday or sometime this week. And have a good one, guys. I will talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.